Hi there, my name is April Seitel and welcome to my channel. Today what I'm going to be doing is quilt blog number 6 in the Quilt Blog for Beginners series. I am just going to be doing a stacked brick. That's it. It's going to be so simple. It's just two 10-inch squares of fabric or any size. You don't have to have 10-inch. You could use any size squares. If you don't know how to cut squares, I have a tutorial that you could watch that under my channel at how to cut squares. I'm going to be using the Lily and Loom layer cake today, and it's just 10-inch squares already pre-cut. I'm sure they probably don't have this on their line anymore. You could look if you did want the same fabric. You'll need a rotary cutter, you're going to need a ruler, and you will need to press this because there's going to be, seams that you're going to need to set. So, okay, that's it. Let's get started. It's going to be simple. All you're going to do is take your layer cake or your two squares, line them up, and we're going to make one cut. You're just going to go right down the middle. So they're 10 inches, so you're just going to go to 5 inches. And remember to count twice. Line it up and make your cut. Just like that. And then all you're going to do, you're just going to take them and you'll want coordinating fabric. You'll want a darker and a lighter, and you're just going to lay them right sides together, and we're going to go sew them. We're just going to sew them together now. I'll see you over at the sewing machine. All you're going to do is line your fabric up along the edge of your presser foot at 1/4 of an inch. If your presser foot's 1/4 of an inch or set to that, I'm going to follow my blue painter's tape, which is just my guide to hold me in straight here as I'm going. Just so that you could chain piece these. So you can just keep, if you get a whole stack of these going, you can just whip them right through. You can just keep sending them right through. Okay, I'm just going to do 2 for the demonstration today, and I will see you back at the iron. All you're going to do here is just pick up your fabric by the dark side, set your seam, and then open it right up and give it a press. And then you can just keep making stacks of these. It's a very quick, fast way to make a quilt. Okay, and then that is it. There it is. This block is so easy. There's no seams that you're going to sew over. You can lay it out any way you want to. You could stack them in any direction. Use any sort of fabrics. Just a lot of fun. If you like this tutorial, please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, and remember to keep it simple. Have a good day. Bye.